Okay, I just got this veterans blanket here. So for this one here, I'm going to use it as a backdrop for some of my YouTube videos since they're veteran related. Let's see what this baby, oh my goodness, I got her double wrapped. Let's see what she looks like. Feel the quality, taste the rainbow. Let's go stretched out here in a second. I want to feel it some. So it's one-sided. It's soft. I mean, it's a little bit, you're not going to stave the cold off with it, but it's okay. Let's see here what we got. These out the way some here. So the soldier, the hero, the veteran. See the quality. Smooth it out a bit here. Just get down through the middles. Veterans aren't losers and suckers. So I guess that one's a political one, so somebody's going to probably make comments on both sides of the political spectrum. I served, sacrificed, and regret nothing. I'm a U.S. veteran. U.S. veteran, defender of freedom. Yes, indeed. Oh, so basically got some panels here. The big thing is how does it feel? So it's like kind of a two-way fabric here. So you do it this way, see kind of what it does. Back this way smooths it out. Quality seems okay. It's trying to think if it's like the, remember the mink blankets if you've been overseas, like in like when you go to Korea, you get those mink blankets. It's kind of like that, but thinner. I'd give it 4 or 5 stars. This is one of those got just a little chilly night. I think, you know, for me, just to throw it over as a backdrop is real good. That's what I like about it. It's a good backdrop for my videos. And yeah, nice little chilly, you know. Not wearing some shorts or something. Wintertime. Just to knock the little chill off. I like it. I like it. Okay, yeah. I have to decide between 4 and 5 right now. It's not a 3-star or anything. It's definitely a 4 or a 5. I mean, I gotta see if this one was okay. It's smoothing out. I mean, it just came out the package. Okay, there we go. That's what I got.